In this short video, I'll show you how to make a graph in Excel so you can visualize campaign performance metrics like CTR and conversions. First, select the column of cells you would like to have included in your graph. As for me, it's the campaign names right here and the conversion. Next, in the Insert tab right here, in the middle should be all the graphs that you need that you can use right here. See, we have different tabs. If you just hover over it, it'll show the charts. What we can also do is click on recommended charts. It will show this tab that what Excel recommends you to choose, or you can click on this one right here, all charts, and you can choose what you would like to use. There are plenty of choices here. As for me, I'm just going to go back to recommended charts and press the first one. Click that and press OK, and it should just make the chart for you. As you can see here, it's the conversions, the campaign names, everything. You can also change it if you'd like the conversion. So put chart on it. There you go. Now you know how to make a graph in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.